much of Garvey Maceo.
You know, tell us about this game this afternoon.
I think we played a hell of a game by the Biko game. The boys, you know, I was really worried. After playing a game like that, it was kind of hard for them to replicate something like that. I think this Dinthill team offensively is very, very dangerous. The way they play, they have about 3 or 4 players who don't really defend. So each time, you know, you lose the ball in offensive position, they can easily counter-attack. Scored. But, you know, I told the boys we have to finish our attacks. You know, we get a goal, a free kick, or they get a goal kick. You know, because if you don't finish your attack against teams like this, that you have 3 or 4 players who would have stand at the half line waiting for the ball. Counter attack, it can be dangerous. And I think the number 10 goal, I think he's special. I think he's a really special player, and he scored a special player. And the Dinthill team was just better than us today.
I'm overall satisfied.
Come on. You know, free love, how could I be satisfied? We started really flat. Dinthill is much better than us in the early part of the game. As I said, the way they play, if they play against a team that I think can finish their attack, they can be in some trouble. You know, but if they don't finish their attack, they're going to hurt you. You know, because they're playing a transition and they're just good.
Remind back again.
Go on, coach of Garvey.
Yes, so, Merron, based on how the game went, I'm sure that you were very spirited for this game. Do you think anything you would have done different as it relates to a game plan coming into this game?
As I said earlier, you know, I think, you know, because we played so good against BB sometimes it's hard to get the same sort of guys, you know, to play, replicate the same plan and the same organization and running. But as I said, this Dinthill team, how they play, you know, as I said, if you don't finish your attacks, they will hurt you. Because there are 4 players standing there waiting to. And when you have a player like Go and Affleck standing at the half line, you know, that's danger. Yeah. You know, so you have to really finish your attacks. You know, that's what, and I think they were just better than us today.
So, all right. Coach, finally, the next game against Cornwall College. How do you see that game?
I heard they lost, right?
I heard you know,
2-1 BB win.
Okay. Yes. It's a game that I think we just need to go there and win. Probably even a draw, depending on, because I think to play against this Dinthill team, they're going to be dangerous. And the way how BB play, you know, BB does not finish the attack. I think African and Go can really hurt them. But BB is also a strong team, so it's going down to the wire. Right now, the only team who probably can't qualify now, I think, is they're going into
2 losses.
Yeah, it's going to be hard. And so, a win for us in some finals. As bad as today be. But I just think that Dinthill was very good today, especially going Africa. It was good.
Congratulations and all the best for the next game.
Yeah, man, respect.